So the last but not least on all this stuff, it's not really a tree, but it is definitely a fruit that produces here, and it's cactus fruit. And not too many people realize that there's a lot of cactus here in Arizona that do produce a great fruit. Now, there's the most productive, which I would say here in Arizona would be your prickly pear cactus fruits. That those things produce really well. There's a lot of vendors here in Arizona that have products that are made and created out of the prickly pear cactus fruit. But my favorite, some people would say, oh, well, you want to do dragon fruit. That's not as easy to grow here, often not sweet, and you won't find out for 3 years. But the Peruvian apple cactus is actually my favorite productive, sweet cactus fruit that we can grow here in Arizona. And it's a fun one, big, beautiful red color on the outside, and it looks like a dragon fruit on the inside, but sweet. And pretty much every time I've had one, they've been sweet. Whereas a dragon fruit, every now and then I'll get one that it doesn't taste like anything. It's just mealy and not the favorite flavors. So the Peruvian apple cactus kind of rounds it out for me. A cactus fruit.
The fun thing about prickly pear, as it relates to birds, is then you get, if you don't have a lot of cats in the area, the gamble quail will find that, and you'll have a covey of quail, and they're not nearly as obnoxious as a lot of these other gackles and everything, and they're a lot more fun to watch.
Justin, where do you find a Peruvian apple cactus?
So Peruvian apple cactus, you need to ask for it. It's like you want a fruiting cactus. A lot of the nurseries around town are starting to hold those. They're a very columnar cactus. A lot of times the columnar cactuses are fruiting cactuses. People just knock them off,
right?
Not realizing that it's going to produce a nice fruit for them. Or they catch them too late. You know, they've already burst open and they're, birds are eating at them, but they get a little red blush. That's when we start harvesting them. We'll put them in a paper bag and they'll ripen up even a little bit more. But great fruit. And they can be the size of a grapefruit. They can get pretty big if you get the right stuff.